Hello students, next part of our lesson is adrenal gland, which is also called as suprarenal glands because these glands are present on the kidney. Adrenal glands are present on the upper border of each kidney. Adrenal glands are small, conical, yellow shaped glands and show two distinct regions. Two distinct regions means it has got two regions. Outer part is called as a cortex and inner part is called as a medulla. Conical adrenal gland having two regions. It has got two distinct regions. This portion is called as a cortex while this region is called as a medulla. Outer region is called as a cortex and inner region is called as a medulla. Cortex is derived from embryonic mesoderm while the medulla is derived from embryonic ectoderm. When you look into the embryonic origin of the adrenal glands, the outer region of the outer region of the medulla called as cortex is derived from embryonic mesoderm while the medulla is derived from embryonic ectoderm. Ectoderm is a germ layer for nervous system generally. This is the diagram showing the two regions of adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex is again divided into three subregions like zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata and zona reticularis. Adrenal cortex is subdivided into three regions: zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata and zona reticularis, and all the three regions secreting different types of hormones for the cortex, of which first one is adrenal cortex. The hormones secreted by the adrenal cortex are together called as corticoids. Cortex is differentiated into three concentric regions. Three concentric region means an outer region, then a middle second region and a third region. Like this, three regions are there, 1, 2 and 3. The outermost region is called as a zona glomerulosa, then zona fasciculata, and innermost region is called as a zona reticularis. Outer region is thin and it is called as zona glomerulosa. It secretes a hormone called as mineralocorticoids. They are released for regulating minerals like sodium as well as potassium ion concentration. That hence the name mineralocorticoids. They regulate salt water balance, blood volume and blood pressure. Blood volume as well as blood pressure is also maintained by this. Aldosterone is a main mineralocorticoid, that is adrenal cortex. The zona glomerulosa of adrenal cortex secretes a hormone called as mineralocorticoid. The main mineralocorticoid is aldosterone, and the function of aldosterone in maintain the balance of sodium and potassium, and it also regulates salt water balance, blood volume as well as blood pressure. It balances sodium and potassium levels. The next part is called as zona fasciculata. Zona fasciculata secretes a hormone called as glucocorticoid, and the main glucocorticoid is cortisol. That is zona fasciculata. Zona fasciculata is a middle region. It secretes a hormone called as glucocorticoids, and the main glucocorticoid is cortisol. Oh, नीचे आना चाहिए था point. It somehow went up as a typing error. It regulates metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. Cortisol is responsible for increase in blood glucose level. It is immunosuppressive. It suppresses the production of antibodies, hence used in treatment of allergy. When body shows some allergic responses, our body has got a lot of antibodies. So in order to prevent the excess production of antibodies and manifestation of allergic reactions, doctors administrate cortisol to a patient who shows excessive allergic symptoms. That is the meaning. It is immunosuppressive. It suppresses the production of antibodies, hence it is used in the treatment of allergy. The innermost layer is called as zona reticularis, responsible for the production of sex corticoids. In males, they have a role in the development of and maintenance of external sex characters. Excess sex corticoids in female causes adrenal virilism, hirsutism. Excess hair on the face of some females are due to excess production of sex corticoids. Excess of sex corticoids in male causes gynecomastia or enlargement of breast. Androgens and estradiols are the main and that is sex corticoids produced by the adrenal cortex. Disorders related to adrenal cortex. Hyposecretion of mineralocorticoid. Hyposecretion means lesser secretion of mineralocorticoid is responsible for a disease called as Addison's disease. Symptoms of Addison's disease include low blood sugar level, low sodium ion concentration and potassium ion concentration in blood plasma, increased loss of sodium ion and water in urine. Those are considered as a symptom of Addison's disease, which arises due to hyposecretion of glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid. It may also lead to weight loss, weakness, nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. Hypersecretion of glucocorticoids causes Cushing's disease, hypera. It leads to high blood sugar level, high BP, obesity and wasting of limb muscles. These are the symptoms of Cushing's disease and Addison's disease. Addison's disease arises due to the hyposecretion of glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid, while Cushing disease arises due to the hypersecretion of glucocorticoids. Adrenal medulla. Medulla of adrenal gland secretes two hormones. One is called as adrenaline or epinephrine, and the other hormone is called as norepinephrine or noradrenaline. Adrenaline is also known as emergency hormone. It is a fight, flight or fright hormone. That means this hormone is secreted when the body has to deal with some stress condition, adrenaline. Noradrenaline regulates blood pressure under normal condition and also act as a vasoconstrictor. It can narrow the blood vessel. So these are the various hormones produced by the adrenal gland.